So now we can actually go to La Caféothèque. Hello, Amanda.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good. So this is Amanda. She works at La Caféothèque. She's loved by everyone at Reid Hall.
I hope.
Yeah. Prepares delicious coffees every morning. So can you tell us a little bit more about yourself, though?
Okay, so I'm Amanda, as everybody has said. I'm from South Africa, and I'm a barista here at La Caféothèque in Paris. I've been a barista for a year and 6 months right now, so it's been really great. I've learned so much with La Caféothèque because this place is basically a school for coffee. So we have we have workshops for baristas. We have coffee tastings, which they call café dégustation. We also have a roasting room, and we roast our coffee in-house. So when you come here, you'll see that it's on the other side.
Let's go take a look. This is probably one of the coolest rooms I've ever been in.
Yes, unfortunately right now the coffee is not roasting. That would have been cool. But this is where we roast our coffee. This is our big machine. And this is what comes out of it. You know, some coffee beans. We also sell coffee beans. So if you come here and want to go home with some coffee beans, let us know. You can grind it up to whatever coffee filter or method that you use. So it's really fun. It's really amazing. It's all coffee.
Do you have a favorite among these?
So mine, it's a little biased only because it's the coffee. It's the first coffee I roasted when I was doing my course, and I also used to make my method of coffee. So it was my kind of lesson. It's the Mpanga from Burundi. It's currently empty, but it is so good. It's very sweet. It's fruity. You taste some
Delicious.
sweet potato, some banana plantain. It's very, very amazing. And then I'm also a big fan of the Don Gerardo from Guatemala. It's notes of pistache. It's it has the classic Guatemala acidity to it. So yeah. It all depends on the day and the palate, to be quite honest.
Yeah, that's why there's so many, obviously.
Yeah, exactly.
Depends on the day. Okay. Well, thank you so much,
Thank
Amanda,
you so
for
much,
letting us stop
Lily.
by.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
See you around. Thanks. Ah,
Je suis here for a snack. There's always a lot of kind of homemade foods here. You never know what to expect. I come in here and it's something different every day.
But the
Croissants are delicious.
Are a good steak.
And then this is where a lot of people will sit and either eat or do work. Just a little sitting area here.